I'm Johnny, owner of Blades of Grass Lawn Care. Now, I have a quick question for you guys, and I need you to chime in. And please, let's be professional about this, because I want to get the consensus, you know, of the majority. So I'm just coming home, and as you can tell, it's raining, right? And this is off the cuff, guys, because I just don't. This is the second time that I've seen it, and I'm trying to figure out why are these guys doing this, and just again clarify for me if I'm missing the picture. Now, we all have our own beliefs, we all have our own ideology, we all have our own way that we think, we express ourselves, the way that we are as individuals, and we believe extremely strongly and sometimes aggressively in certain things. Now, stay with me. As soon as I get home, I open my Instagram and I see a guy, one of my followers, a guy that I follow, and again, lawn care guy, have a picture of Nike, and he's putting an American flag over it, and you know, with a caption, you know, how to fix the problem or whatever the case might be. You know, and again, to each his own, right? I served 25 and a half years in the United States Army, so we can express ourselves, and that's fine. I have no issues with it, okay? What I believe, you know, should people kneel, should people stand, that's my opinion. You know, I'm not gonna share it with you guys on my business profile. You see what I mean? Because my question to you is, what happened when you get a customer that is following you and drop your services because they don't believe in what you believe? Now, do you just say, you know, oh well, I found another customer? Is it that easy? You know, because to acquire a customer, to get a customer, is a cost on your business. You see what I mean? Is your belief so out there that you're gonna put it on your business page, your business profile? You know, just tell me. Am I missing something here? You know what I mean? Again, don't just target Nike. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about your overall beliefs. Again, another guy on Instagram, he had a woman breastfeeding, and again, this is his business Instagram. He was saying how it's nasty and how it's this and how it's that. I personally don't feel that you should be posting these kind of things on your business page. You know what I mean? I mean, tell me if I'm missing something here, guys. Because again, we are in business to make money, and the more customers we have, you know, the more money you make. So I mean, a customer is valuable. You know what I mean? A customer is valuable to me, and for me to post something like that, to me, is detrimental to your business. You know, if you want to grow your business, you know, these posts on Instagram, you know, anything that you put out on the internet stays out there, and it might not affect you now, and you might not really realize that it's affecting you. But the reality is, everybody Googles you or your business before they engage or conduct business with you. And you don't want that post or that belief to appear, and next thing you know, they don't use your services because of something that you post 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 years ago. You know what I mean? Now, I am extremely passionate because, like I said before, guys, I served 25 and a half years in the United States Army, and I believe that in freedom of speech, I believe in all that good stuff. But guys, I'm not going to put that in my business page. You know what I mean? Am I missing something? I know I'm ranting here, but put it in the description below, guys. Let me know Let me know what's your feeling about it. Let's have a conversation about this, because again, we are business owners. Whether you're solo, whether you have a whole bunch of guys working for you, you own a business, and anything that you do, it shows on your business. You know what I mean? Anything you do shows on your business. Again, I can go for days and days, guys. I hope you got my point. And again, I'm not attacking, and please do not put, I'm not talking about is it right or is it wrong to kneel for the national anthem. That's not what I'm talking about. Is it right or is it wrong for you to breastfeed outside? Is it right or is it wrong? That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about posting your beliefs on your business profile. That's what I'm talking about. Okay? Hey guys, let's have this conversation. This is going to be extremely engaging. Put your feelings, your thought in the description below, and let's have a conversation. You know what I mean? And guys, please do not argue. We're not arguing. Okay? We're not arguing on the comments down below about your beliefs. That's not what we're arguing. You know, I don't want you to argue about that. I want you to tell me if you're posting these kind of things on your business profile. Just tell me why. You know, I'm an open-minded guy. I want to learn from all you guys. You know what I mean? So we're not arguing about Nike. We're not arguing about none of that stuff. I want to know if you are posting these kind of things on your Instagram, your YouTube, your Facebook, you know, why, and just let's have a conversation about it. Okay? All right, 7 minutes, guys. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video, guys. If you're still here with me, again, God bless America. Get hot, pop smoke. Peace.